So all of you know about the a successful treatment should have some of the factors. That is, Vishadravyan Upastata Rogi Pada Chatushtayah. So this everybody knows. So in this, we all are doctors, and I know that some of the students are also there. So UG students, they are going to become the doctors. So a Vaidyas are available here. So next, what Vaidya needs? Immediately he needs medicine. Vishak Dravyani. First is Vishak. Immediately after the Vishak Dravya, medicine is needed. Okay. So the medicines, they have explained the gunas of the Dravyas. That is Bahukalpam, Bahugunam, Sampannam, Yogyam, Aushadam. See, Bahukalpam, you know, a doctor should have many medicines in his clinic. So this needs lots of investment, and many times many drugs might not be useful, but you should keep it ready. The second one is Bahu Gunam. So if doctor is unable to invest much, let us concentrate on this second word, Bahu Gunam. You have one drug and understand its Bahu Gunatva. Understand its multiple use of a single drug. So a Vaidya, if he is very intelligent, the second point, Bahugunam, he can concentrate and he can prescribe a single drug in multiple diseases. So today's topic, I want to concentrate on this second word, Bahugunam. Of course, we have selected two drugs. I have selected two drugs. In that, both the drugs having very single ingredients, but multiple utility of it. So that your investment, okay, so you can save the investment, but with a single investment you can have lots of benefits from this. So Sampannam Yogyam Aushadam. Sampannam, it should be availability, and it is very easily available. What I am going to talk about today's topic, very easily available drugs. Yogyam, it is left to the intelligence of the doctor to select whether this drug is Yogya for this patient or not. So we have to develop that idea of analyzing the medicine and the disease samprapti, whether medicine is Yogya for this samprapti. So today's today's talk, I have some of aims and objectives of this today's topic. So first topic point I want to mention is single drug and multiple use. So both the drugs which I have selected are having single drug, okay, multiple utility, okay. Next, fast acting. So in the usually we people say Ayurveda is acting very slow. Actually, that is not true. That we have to prove to the community, that we have to prove to the society that Ayurveda medicines are not slow acting. They are also having the fast acting activity. That is acting fast if our drug selection, Samprapti Vigatana analysis and drug selection is perfect, then the drug will act very fast. If irrationally we are giving the medicines, the drug action will be slow and the drug may not have its benefit. Then economical to prepare and profitable for sale. Okay, so it should be easy, means investment should be very less, because I am a manufacturer, I am a practitioner, so I concentrate on economical point also, so profitable point also, because I have not seen what crorpatis of Ayurveda doctors. So but that should happen. Ayurveda and Ayurveda doctors should also have the knowledge, should also have the money also. So my preparations today are very economical and profitable, then less complicated. So it should not have much complications. Easy to prepare. The procedure should not take, for example, if it is basmas, so they take long investment, long duration. For example, good abraka basma, you cannot prepare within an year. Many times we say that if you want to give 100 puttas, it takes more than 2 to 3 years. But these preparations are very easy and very fast preparation you can prepare. Then my aim again to understand a drug or formulation incomplete. So कहाँ इसको apply कर सकते हैं, तो उसका बारे में बहुगुणम, I told the word we should understand its Bahugunatva, multiplicity. If you understand a single drug formulation first better, then multi-drug formulations, it will be very easy to understand. For example, Chandraprabhavati is there, Yogaraj Gugula is there. So many ingredients are there. It is very difficult to understand the Samprapti Vighatana by multi-drug formulations. Okay, but it happens. For that reason, we have to take the help of the Shastra. Yourself analyzing will take time. I am not telling it is very impossible. It is very possible, but it takes time for you to understand a multi-drug formula. But it doesn't take lots of time to understand a single drug formula. If you have a good base of understanding single drug formula, then you can understand the multi-drug combinations. Okay. And I want to emphasize that prepare the medicines for yourself, because there are so many advantages. You can understand, you can know the ingredients very well, and you will be knowing the Bhavana Dravyas. You will be understanding, or you will be studying the single drug gunas. So your action, the medicine activity will be perfectly analyzed if you prepare the medicine. If you purchase the medicine from the market with a single name, there are so many formulas are available. Okay, so it will be very Palashruti you can understand, but the ingredients, if the different pharmacies are preparing with Ananda Bhairava Rasa with different ingredients, you will not be understanding and the drug properly. So the action will also be not proper. So you prepare the medicine, you will be the authentication person for that formula. So today's Kalpabhyasa, I have selected Gomutra Haritaki, okay, and Vishamushti Vati. Okay, so two drugs are there. So Prathama Kalpabhyasa. So first I would like to take this Gomutra Haritaki. So it contains only Haritaki Bhavana with Gomutra. Okay, so Haritaki and Gomutra, two combinations. So for this we should understand Bahugunatva of Haritaki. Okay, so Haritaki Pancharasam. Okay, it contains all 5 rasas except Lavana. Okay, there is no Lavana rasa in this. Okay, Shivam, it is having all beneficiary things in this. Dosha Anulomani, this word is important. Today's this word Dosha Anulomani is very important, because I am going to tell you where and all Anulomana property is required in our body, or where and all this Anulomana word can be utilized in our diseases. Laghvi, it's very easy for digestion. Okay. Vidya Deepana Pachanim. So this is going to make Deepana, Agni Deepana, Pachani, Ama Pachana also. You can use these two words because Sarve Rogaha Api Mandagno. All the rogas are because of Mandagni, and all the rogas might start with Ama. So Agni Deepana, Ama Pachana are compulsorily needed for all the diseases. So Haritaki has this. Ayusham, it is going to increase the lifespan by giving good health. Okay. Paustikam, it is going to increase the Paustikatva, that is strength in the body. Vayasaha Sthapanam, that you understand then. And Vayasaha Sthapanam Param, this is the best among Vayasthapana Dravyas. So this is the best among the Vayasthapana Dravya. So Acharya Charaka mentions in Prathama Chikitsa in the Pada itself about the Haritaki. And next word is also very important, Sarva Roga Prashamani. There are very, very few drugs in the Ayurveda. You can see this word, Sarva Roga Prashamana. It is going to clear all the rogas. Of course, this is an exaggerated word, but still, though that word is exaggerated, it has the property of Sarva Roga Prashamana. Means it can go to any extent. It can go to any target organ. It can go to brain. It can go to heart. It can go to lungs. It can go to liver, kidney. Every organ it can reach. Then only it is going to make Sarva Roga Prashamana. So we should understand this word Sarva Roga Prashamana in this manner. So it is having Yogavahi property. The word Yogavahi will holds good for this word. So then Buddhi Indriya Bala Pradam. So it is going to increase your Buddhi. Indriya Bala, all the sense organs. It can be used for the pathology of all the Pancha Jnanendriyas, Pancha Karmendriyas. You have problem in the nose. It is told Indriya Bala Pradam. So you can use in Chakshur Indriya Vyadis. You can use in Jifendriya Vyadi, Karnendriya Vyadi. So it is going to give the bala for this. Okay. So wherever there is degeneration of indriyas, you can use this because this is going to give the bala for indriyas. Okay. Then Kustam, Gulmam, Udavartam, Shosham. So skin diseases, Gulma, Udavarta. Okay. So Udavarta, Samprapti, you know about the Udavarta. Shosham and Pandu Amayan. So Pandu means you can understand in modern way, that is the deformities of or the malfunctioning of the liver, malfunctioning of the spleen, malfunctioning of the bone marrow will lead to anemia. Of course, anemia is not the direct word. Pandu cannot be directly correlated to anemia, but I understand the word Pandu Amaya. See, Pandu Amaya is a broad spectrum, so it should not be considered one anemia. So it is a broad spectrum word. So broad spectrum, how to understand that is Yakrit, Pliha, bone marrow. The problems of these things you can correlate to this Pandu Amaya. Okay. Madam, Madatya, Arshansi. So you can use this in the files. Grahani, the Grahani Dosham, Puranam. It can be used Purana Grahani Dosha, Purana Vishamajvara. Okay. Then Hrudrogam. See, I am going to emphasize this word Hrudrogam because very rarely we are using this Haritaki in Rudroga. Again, the last word, there I will tell the importance of this Rudroga. Sa Shirorogam, Atisaram, Arochakam. Okay. Then Kasam, Prameha, okay, Manaham. Prameha, commonly we use it in all the diabetic conditions. Okay. Plihanam, Udaram, Navam. Okay. Recent Jalodhara or recent Udaras, we can use it. And dosha wise, they are telling Kafa Praseka Vaisvaryam. These are Rasavahasrota Dushti Lakshanas, they have told. Vaivarnyam, it is happening in Rasa and Raktavahasrotas also. Kamalam, again Raktavahasrotas. Krimin, Annavahasrotas. Okay. Shvayathum. Shvayathum can happen, might be because of kidney disorders, might be because of heart problem, okay, might be because of ama also. Shvayatu can happen. Oh, if Shvayatu is there, then we have to see these organs. Tamatam, so respiratory disorders. Chardi, okay, so and Clybium, Anganam, Avasadanam. Okay, next, keep concentrating on these words of the last line. Sroto Vibandhan, Vividhan, Pralepam, Hrudayo Rasoho. So I told that Rudroga word, I am going to explain here. See, Sroto Vibandhan Vividan. What they are very clearly telling is, because it is already told is Sarva Roga Prashamani. So here they are telling Sroto Vibandhan Vividan means Sarva Srota Avaroda. It might be Annavahasrotas, it might be Rasavahasrotas, Raktavahasrotas, any Medovahasrotas, Shukravahasrotas, Sarva means Srota Vibandhan Vividan. All the different Srotas blockage we can use it. Okay. Why this word is important? Go to the next word. Pralepam Hrudayo Rasoho. So Pralepam, anywhere sticking or anywhere blocking, Hrudayo Rasoho. See, Hrudaya, this can directly correlate to the atherosclerotic conditions. There is no other word. I am not understanding any other word other than this atherosclerotic condition, because Rasavahasrotas, they are telling Rasoho, Rasavahasrotas, Mula is Hrudaya. So any blockage in Hrudaya is due to the Rasavahasroto Dushti. So you can directly use this Haritaki in the atherosclerotic or the blockages of the coronary artery or any arteries of the heart. Okay. Then Smriti Buddhi Pramohamcha Jayet Shigram Haritaki. So all these are going to get cured Shigram, you understand again this, concentrate on this word Shigram, very fast acting. What my point was there in the introduction, that is, we should have a fast acting drug. We cannot wait for the slow acting drug because the people are fast today. So Ayurveda, we should not be lacking behind because of this opposite of this word slow. No, we should take out that word slow by understanding this word Shigram Haritaki. Next, so that is about the Haritaki. Next, Gomutra Gunaha. Actually, this shloka is Sarva Mutra Gunas are explained in this shloka, but predominantly Go word is told. Okay, so Pittalam. So Gomutra is Pittalam. See, what is this word Pitta? As per our Acharyas, Pitta Sthana is Madhya Bhaga of our body. So Pitta, if you should understand, it is not only bile. It is the secretions from the liver, secretions from the gallbladder, secretions from the duodenum, secretions from the pancreas, secretions from the spleen. So this is the Madhya Bhaga of our body. So Pittalam, this is going to increase the activity of enzymatic activity of all these Madhya Bhaga organs. So, but nowadays people are concentrating only on the liver. Pitta is only liver. No. Then Ruksha, Tikshna, Ushna. This you can understand. Lavana, Anurasam, Katum. Okay. Then Krimi, Shofa. Okay. Shuna means wherever there is a swelling, you can use this. Pandu Kapha Anilam. I told Pandu is a liver, spleen, bone marrow disorder. Okay. So directly this Gomutra is also acting on the same organs. Okay. Kapha Anilan. This is going to nullify the dosha activity of Haritagi is also Kapha and Vatanulomana, and Gomutra is also Kapha and Anilan, Vata Shamana. Okay. But the extra property is this is Pittalam. This is going to increase the Pitta. Though it is Kapha and Anilapaha, it is also going to increase the Pitta. So Gulma, Aruchi, Visha, Shvitra. Understand this word as Shvitra, Kushta, Arshansi, Jayet, Lagu. Gomutra is Lagu, easy for digestion, and this is can be used for this Gulma, Aruchi, Vishadravyas, Shvitra, Kushta, and piles. Arshas is also mentioned in Haritaki Guna. Gomutra is also mentioned. Arshas is also mentioned in Gomutra. Okay. So Gomutra Haritaki references. Where and all we are getting the direct Gomutra Haritaki Prayoga. Charaka Samhita, Chikitsa Sthana, Shvayatu chapter, 12th chapter. Shvayatu is 12th chapter. Shloka number 21 explains. So this Gomutra Haritaki. Then in Kushta chapter, 61st shloka explains. In Arshas chapter, Gomutra Haritaki Prayoga is done. Pandu Chikitsa Gomutra Haritaki is done. Then Chikitsa Pradipika, of course, this is a recent textbook, but a very, very beautiful textbook, which is very beneficial for practitioners. I follow this textbook, so I have quoted, though it is not a classical lesson, but the prescription is totally classical medicines. There are no patent medicines, totally classical medicines, and Kinchit Parivartita Yogas are also there. So very excellent book is Chikitsa Pradipika. Please, if you are a practitioners, you have to, and you are going to become practitioners, please read this book. Then Gomutra Haritaki is also mentioned in AFI first volume, where it is told in Leha form, that is Mukharoga. So I am going to in detail tell about these things. So variants of Gomutra Haritaki. So how Gomutra Haritaki can be administered? So first, how can you prepare Gomutra Haritaki? First, these all are classical products only. Okay, these are not modified things. These are used in Charaka Samhita in different forms. So first, soaking the Haritaki in Gomutra whole night and drinking in the morning. That is with Guda and Prakshepa. This is Gomutra Haritaki explained in Charaka Samhita. It is in Arsha chapter, it is explained. So soak Gomutra in Haritaki for night and ask the patient to drink early in the morning by adding Guda as Prakshepa. You can also add Taila. Okay. Second is Bhavana, that is grinding the Haritaki with Gomutra. Okay. Put the churna of Gomutra in the end runner and give the Bhavana and go on grinding it. Or Kalvayantra, you can do it. This is the second method of Gomutra Haritaki preparation. boiling the haritaki in gomutra. This is explained in Chikitsa Pradipika, as I said. So haritaki is boiled in 4 parts of gomutra, and it is dehydrated, and you can use it. This is the third point. Is I'm going to explain later. This is how I am preparing this gomutra haritaki. Third point. Okay. Next, fourth. Direct gomutra haritaki. Gomutra is given with the prakshepa of haritaki churna early in the morning. Okay. Next, haritaki is given bhavana with gomutra, mishi, and kushta kashaya. Mishi kashaya, kushta kashaya, and gomutra bhavana is given to haritaki. It is used in Mukharoga. So this is explained in AFI, Ayurveda Formulary of India. So all these different varieties of gomutra haritaki you can prepare as per your availability. If you have grinder, go for this grinding technique. If you don't have grinder, if you have only simple vessel, you just boil the gomutra in the sun. And another method is also there, which I have not mentioned here, which is a lengthy process, which that's why I omitted. That is simply soak the gomutra haritaki in gomutra and keep it for sunlight for a saptaha. Then you can use it. That is also there, but that is a lengthy procedure, so I have not selected this. Nirmana Vidhi. How I am using gomutra haritaki in my practice. How do I prepare? So among those 4 or 5 varieties, I have selected this variety, which I feel very fast preparation and very easy to prepare. So first you select haritaki churna 1 part, gomutra 4 parts. So boil in an iron vessel in a mandagni. Okay. Then when it becomes dehydrated, prepare the vattis of 500 mg, or you can even, because if you don't prepare the vatti, it becomes hard. So later it will be very difficult for you to prescribe the medicine to the patients. Okay. So dosage is 3 to 6 grams. This is classically told, but I have given the patient with a more quantity, 2 to 3 grams, but the patients will experience a lot of tiredness. That's why I am using only 1 gram morning and 1 gram evening. That is 1 gram single tablet is very difficult to prepare. So 500 mg tablet I prepare because it is very easily palatable. 1 gram tablet it is very difficult to palate. So that's why 500 mg 2 tablets in the morning, that it will become 1 gram, and 2 tablets in the evening. Okay. Next. So duration, how many days you can give this gomutra haritaki? In Ashtanga Hridaya Vagbhata, he says 1 week you can give this. Continuously you can give for 1 week. But in Charaka Samhita, in Kutta Chikitsa, Acharya Charaka is explained about 1 month. Eka masa, you can give for continuously 1 month. It will not be any problem. So this indicates that you can prescribe for 1 week to 1 month, and still I am using more than 3 months continuously. I am not finding any difficulties. But why they have restricted for 1 month is, might be you may your kapha may get dehydrated. Your kapha might be vilayana by this time, by 1 week to 1 month. So you have to stop there. So next, so you have to see all these points before selecting gomutra haritaki. That is dosha. Kapha vruddhi is there, then only you select the gomutra haritaki, because pittala gomutra is pittala. So in pitta dushti, better not to select this gomutra. Kapha vruddhi. How you assess? Alasya, Gaurava, Praseka, all these are kapha vruddhi lakshanas. You can assess them. Avastha, that is Shotha Avastha, Ama Avastha, better you can select this. How do you assess Shotha? That is Shuna, Akshi, Kuta, Ganda, Bada. So wherever there is swelling, you see puffiness of the face and all those things, Shotha Lakshanas are there. Ama Avastha is sticking, the malas are sticking in the sink, you can assess this. Then Margavarna, for Rasa to Medas Margavarna, you can select. Srotas and Dhatus. Rasa to Meda Srotas, you can select. Agni, whenever Agni Mandya, you can select, because Gomutra, Haritaki, Gomutra is Pittala. So Agni Vardaka, Haritaki is also Agni Vardaka. Kosta, Krura, because Haritaki is having, see, Dugdamcha Mutramcha Virechanani. If you go to the Shodhanadi Gana Sangraha Adhyaya, under Virechana Gana, the last word it says Dugdamcha Mutramcha Virechanani. All the mutras are going to make Virechana. So Krura Kostas, you need that Anulomana and Virechana. So better select Gomutra haritaki. Then Mala, whenever there is Gratita, Baddamala, Durganda is there, then you select. Prakriti, Sleshmala Prakriti. So don't select in Pitta and Kevala Vata Prakriti, Vatala Prakritis. Kapha Medas Vikruti you can select. Vyadis, Santarpana Janya Vyadis. So recently all are having Santarpana Janya Vyadis. Maximum people come to you due to lack of exercises, excess of food like pizza, burger, and oily foods. So all are Santarpana Janya Vyadis. You can select this. Staulya persons you can select. Uddhavasthana, Amashayodbhava Vyadis and also Pakvashayodbhava Vyadis you can select. So how this acts, this is as per my analysis. So Amashayodbhava means Annarasa due to Santarpana Jana Nidanas, Ama and Kapha is production happens in the Amashaya. Due to the Sukshma Srotas, it will be distributed to Hrudaya and it will be especially distributed to Jatrurdha Vyadis, Hrudaya, Pufusa, thyroid, all these organs, and it is settled there. Okay, then it produces Shota there. So why I am telling all these words, because you can correlate to Hrudaya Lepa by this. Okay, then thyroid glands, hypothyroidism for this. So with this Samprapti you can correlate this to so many things. Okay, Sevana Kala. In Staulya you give it early in the morning, that is Kapha Kala. In Arshas you give it, as I told in the Charaka Samhita, soak it in the night and give it early in the morning. Anyway, we have already prepared the tablet form, directly we are giving that. Also you can soak it in the this one night and in the water, and you can give it. Then in Shota you give in between the two foods, that is Antarbhakta. This information I have collected from Chikitsa Pradipika. Okay, Kafaja Vishyanda, it is told to give it in Swapna Kala, night time. Kafaja Vishyanda, where there is excessive Srava, because Haritaki is also told as Chakshushya, keep it in mind. Anaha, Apana Kala, before food. In Vruddhi, especially in hernias, hydrocele and such conditions, for Anulomana purpose we are using this Gomutra Haritaki, give it before food. Okay, Amatisara, I have seen in amoebic descent race very excellent results I have given in before food. Okay, then Prakshepa Dravyas you can use Guda, Trikatu, Taila. Gomutra Haritaki Prayoga, Pitam Kafotitam Shamayetu, Shotham Gavyana Mutrena Haritikicha. It is told in Charak Samhita, Shota. So Pitam Kafotitam Shotham. So Shvayata should be Kafota. Then you can give this Gomutra and with Haritaki. Gomutrena Prabhadhate Kushtam. Abhaya Prayojitva Masam Sa Vyoscha Gudadmitam. Okay. So Gomutra with Abhaya. If you give Gomutra with Abhaya in Kushta chapter, okay, you can give it for 1 masa. Okay, with Vyosha means Trikatu and Guda Prakshepa is there. Gomutra Dishitam Dadyat Sa Gudam Va Haritaki. So Gomutra soak the Haritaki in Gomutra and you can give it. Haritakam Prayogena Gomutrena Tva Pibet Jirne Kshirena Bunjita Rasena Mamsenava. Actually, this shloka is from Pandu Chikitsa. They ask to drink Gomutra Haritaki. Jirne, after your Gomutra Haritaki given in the morning is undergone digestion, then only go for Kshira, Bunjita. Give Kshira food. So you can give this Kshira or Rasena, Mamsa Rasena. Mamsa Rasa you can give, or Kshira you can give only after your medicine is digested. Okay. So in Chikitsa Pradipika, it is used for Anaha. Again, in Chikitsa Pradipika, it is told in Kafaja and Mrudbhakshana Janya Pandu. They have added Gomutra Haritaki 2 parts, Punarnava Mandura 2 parts, and Navayasaloha half part for Kafaja and Mrudbhakshana Janya Pandus. I have not written Mrudbhakshana Janya Pandu because I have not got these cases. Then Chikitsa Pradipika, in Medo Roga, Anunavamana Artha we are giving. In Medo Roga, you can correlate to obesity, you can correlate to Yakrut fatty liver, you can correlate to triglycerides. Okay. Chikitsa Pradipika Ruddhi, especially hernias. Okay, you can give this. Then Abhishyandi, as I told, Kafaja Abhishyanda, where there is Akshistrava, you can use this. In Chikitsa Pradipika again Anaha. In Mukha Roga, Kafaja Vranas are carcinoma of the oral cavity. I have used this Gomutra Haritaki in oral cancers. So this is having some of the good results. I can explain you later. Anyway, applied aspects I am going to tell. I will explain the effects of this Gomutra Haritaki in there. Okay, so I have recently I have used this since 10 years. I am using this Gomutra Ritiki. I am preparing this drug. Almost I have tried what and all drugs, what and all diseases I have mentioned here. I have tried Gomutra Ritiki in all these disorders. Triglycerides, excellent results I have got, because I still remember a patient whose triglyceride level was more than 350. Within a month, I brought that to 150 by using only this Gomutra Haritaki. Excellent result. You can use this. You can use this with Asanadi Kashaya, or you can also use with Patalaka Rohini Kashaya. As I told, the Haritaki Guna, Srotasan, Avarodam, Vividan, Pralepo, Hrudayo Rasaha. This that word is can be correlated for this coronary artery blockages. You can please give that Gomutra Haritaki with Arjuna Kashaya. So to remove this coronary artery blockages, or you can also use this Trikatu Churna or the Shmula Kashaya for these diseases. Then bronchiectasis, purulent sputum. Okay, so this can be used. That is Barangyadi Kashaya. Spelling mistake is there. Barangyadi Kashaya. You can use this. Okay. Pedal edema. I have found good results with Gomutra Haritaki with the pedal edema. Not due to the especially this increased serum creatinine. I have not got good result in increased serum creatinine. Other than serum creatinine edemas, you'll get good results. Then obesity, I have found excellent results. Compulsorily with this Gomutra Haritaki, if you give 1 month, 2 tablets twice a day, compulsorily 2 to 3 kgs weight will be reduced. Patients compulsorily they say they feel the light, the weight is reduced, they feel that is body volume is also reduced, the dresses are loose. These are the words told by patient. Almost since long time I am using, and same words are repeated by the patient. You can use this barley water and vegetable diet in the night. So excellent results you'll get. Hypothyroidism, it can be correlated to the Shodha, where Punarnavashaka Kashaya, you can use this Gomutra Haritaki. I have used this Gomutra Haritaki in amoebiasis, where painful, crampy, mucousy dysentery with the patients. You can use it with the Mustari Star, simple water, you will get a good results in this. Varicose veins and the edema related with this, you can give this with the Puti Karanjasava. Gomutra Haritaki and Puti Karanjasava you can give. Then I have tried this Gomutra Haritaki in Anarthava presentation of PCOD. Anyway, PCOD many times they will also have excessive bleeding, and in such conditions I have not given because Pittala, the word itself says this is excessive Pitta. So in excessive bleeding, you should not give this. Immediately after the cycles or after the periods, you have to stop this. Okay. So I have got this good results in Anarthava Chikitsa. You can correlate this to PCOD. Kana Shatapadi Kashaya would be excellent Anupana to give this Gomutra Haritaki in PCODs. See, pleurisy, actually I have not tried because I am preparing the Gomutra Haritaki and distributing to my friends and my students. So one of my student, he has used this Gomutra Haritaki in pleural effusion. Okay, he had got good results. Of course, he has used all the other medicines also. So he has reported me. So I have mentioned it. Then skin disorders also you can use this Gomutra Haritaki, especially the Sravi, wherever there is oozing. Such conditions you can give this. Then fatty liver. In fatty liver, Patola Katarohini Kashaya, you can give this. Then Pitta Kapha anemias, Triphala Kashaya, because Pandu is mentioned in Charak Samhita. Trikatu and Triphala both can be used in Yakrut Vikara, especially Pandu. So this is already having Pittala, so you can use this Triphala Kashaya. Hepatic carcinomas, we are trying in different cases. Hepatic carcinoma, it's a scope, there is a scope for this study of this. Hernias with Hingu Triguna Taila, you can give this. Hemorrhoids, anyway, classically Acharya Charaka is also told to give this in Arshas. So wherever there is Gada Varchas, there is pellets like stools passing. Manda Adni, this is told in Dalada commentary, where you have to select Gomutra Haritaki in Arshas. These words very clearly Acharya Dalada mentions. Okay. So this indicates there is Pitta Kshaya. So Gomutra Haritaki is a Pitta Vardaka Dravya. So wherever there is a lack of Srava from the Yakrut, lack of Srava, Saraguna in the intestine, then you can go for this Gomutra Ritiki, because this is having Saraguna, this is having Pitta Rechaka property. So in constipation with because Gomutra is also Kshara. So where Arshas Chikitsa, you need to give Ksharas. So Chirabilvadi Kashaya would be very good. Oral carcinomas, I have given this. So one patient, old aged lady, I had given this Gomutra Ritiki. The Granthi was opened up and she had a pain, and it was relieved by this one. And the same fibroadenoma breast, I had given this Gomutra Ritiki with Dandakrasayana, and the patient had the Granthi like presentation in the, it was scanning was done, fibroadenoma was diagnosed, and she had lots of pain due to the swelling of that Granthi. So immediately after giving this, she got the within 4 or 5 days, she got the bloody discharge from the nipple, and she got relieved from the pain. So this was a excellent result what I found, and the patient was very happy with the lack of pain due to that. Then you can use this Gomutra Ritiki in sinusitis, especially in sinusitis with the Dashamula Katutrayi Kashaya. Okay, so I finished that Gomutra Ritiki drug fast. Okay, then very short time period is there. I'll select go for the Vishamushti Vati. Okay, so second Kalpabhyasa is Vishamushti Vati. So the reference is Siddha Vaishajya Manimala. The original reference is from Siddha Vaishajya Manimala. Now Ayurveda Sara Sangraha in page number 452. So this formulation is mentioned. So I have taken that reference. So you know Kuchala, Kuchala. The word itself says Chela means kapada, means that is cloth. Ku means kutsita, bad clothed seed, that is which is having गंदा कपड़ा पहनने के जैसा दिखता है. So that is Karaskarah Katu Tiktah Kushta Vinashanah. You can use this in Kushta. Vatamaya, Vatavyadis, Asra, Raktavyadis, Kandu. Okay, Kandu Ati, Kafa, Kafam, Arsha, Prana, Apaha. So you can use it in Vranas, you can use it in Ama, Kafa Vyadis. Okay, then again single drug with this Maricha is used. This mainly Kuchala is the drug in this. Maricha is an antidote for the Kuchala, because that is mentioned in Upavisha. So Maricha is here acting as antidote for that. So we are using. Natyartam Ushnam, Maricham, Avrishyam, keep this word. So we should not use this Maricha for long time or Vishamushti Vati for long time, because Avrishya, this is going to dry up your semen. So you should not use this. Laghu Rochanam, it is easy for digestion and Rochana. Then Chardi. Okay. So it can be used also in the Chardi, such type of Vyadis. Deepana Kapha. So here Bhavana Dravya used Indra Varuni. Classically Indra Varuni is been used. So Indra Varuni, Atyushna, Rechani, Katuka, Tata, Krimi, Sleshma, Vrana Hanti. Okay. Sarva Udaranapi. So Indra Varuni is having Rechani property. So by using Indra Varuni as a Bhavana for this Vishamushti, the toxicity will not be there, and it is going to increase the activity of the liver. So in the absence of Indra Varuni, some of the pharmacies they are using Jambira for the Bhavana. So Vishamushti Shodhana is mentioned in 3 varieties. You can soak it in Gomutra, or you can boil in the Gomutra, or you can do Erinja Bharjana. But for my preparation, I am using Vishamushti in Bharjana method. So Vishamushti is done Bharjana with Erinda Taila, and till it becomes grey, then it is become brittle, then it is to be made powder. So preparation. So Kuchala 1 part, Maricha 1 part, give Indra Varuni Bhavana. Okay. If Indra Varuni is not available, you can go for Jambira Swarasa Bhavana. Okay. So if you are preparing, you can grind it for 3 days or 7 days, as per your yukti you can go. But single drug, Gomutra, this Kuchala and Maricha, only 2 drugs are available. Dosage is 250 mg, because Vishamushti dosage 125 mg, but the Maricha is also there, so you have to give 250 mg. And the Anupanas can be as per the following. So Vishamushti Vati can be used in Annavaha Srotas. See, actually these references I have taken from Rasatarangini. Rasatarangini is a 19th century textbook. it is very well explained about the recent developments chemistry textbook. So all these are translated words, you can say. So Annavah Srotas Amashayotha Shulamcha. So this is directly indicating epigastric pain. So Amla Pitta directly indicating this acidity. Okay. Kshut Pradeepanam Pachanam Ruchikaram. Okay. So the Anupana what you can select is Shukti Basma for epigastric pain. So Amla Pitta Prashamana, if you have burning chest or Ushnata, you can go for Bhunimbadi Kada with Vishamushti Vatika. So whenever the patient says not feeling the ruchi, not feeling the taste, so and Agni-mandya, then Matulunga Rasayana, you can give this Gomutra, sorry, Vishamushti Vati. Pakvashayodbhava Vyadis like Grahani and Atmana. In Grahani, you can give this with Takrarishtam. Atmana, there is a bloating, and Anaha, means the present with Gudugudaya, you can select with Takra. Pranavaha Srotas, especially with nervous disorders, sorry, respiratory disorders, you can, it is very indicated in Pratishaya Haram. So select this Gomutra, the Vishamushti Vati with Dashamula Katatrayi Kashayam. It can also be used in Shwasa Prashamana as Pufusa Shota. You can use this Vishamushti Vati with Pushkara Mulasava. Nadi Samsthana, especially used in Ardita, Katishula, Pakshagata. This Vishamushti Vati is indicated. In case of Ardita and Pakshagata, you can use this with Samir Pannagras and Maharasnadi Kvata. In case of Katishula, any disc herniation, disc prolapse, you can use this Vishamushti Vati with the Sahacharadi Kashaya, Sindhuvara Yeranda Taila, like that. In Mutra Vahasrotas, especially if Mutra Srava is less, you use this Shweta Parpati, spelling mistake is there, Shweta Parpati with Vishamushti Vati, you can, there will be very good Mutrala effect. Actually, this is also used in Shaya Mutra or Bahumutrata. This is going to strengthen the sphincters. Bimbi Swarasa. Usually Bimbi is available everywhere. So you can use this Bimbi Swarasa in Shaya Mutra with Vishamushti Vati. So Vishamushti can also be used for Vishahara. So Alarka Visha. See, rabies dog bite. In those days, 19th century, this Vishamushti was used as an antidote. For this, actually this word is mentioned as Sara Meya Vishapaham in Rasatarangini. Then, see in lead, Dushta Nada Ashanad. See, lead toxicity, you can go for Vishamushti Vati. Okay. Then, Madatyaya. We can use this Vishamushti Vati in Madatyajanya Vatavyadis and Madatyajanya Vikaras with Srikandasavam or Kharjuradi Manta. Then, actually in Shweta Pradara, actually it is also having very good effect. Vishamushti Vati with Musali Kadiradi Kashaya is acting very good in Shweta Pradara. Arshas